I had a major injury. I clashed with my own teammate. 2 surgeries where they had to remove my flesh tissues from the back because the bone had come out. Literally, the bone was out. In KWL, I never sat in dugout. This will be my 8th year or something in the KWL. Yeah, it is very hard to be a player and turning into a manager. Hi, I'm Amshita Rai. I'm 24 years old. I'm from Mangalore, Bashpe. I was a center defender for Kemp FC. Here I'm a player manager.
But what is the journey of football for this young girl from Bashpe?
So always I have been in sports from school days, but I was not into football. I was into athletics and other team games, that is Kho and throwball. So from 9th standard I came into a football little bit through someone else. So from there the football journey started, I can tell.
Okay. You said that you're a professional footballer, but this season you're spending it as a player manager. So how did that transition happen? Why aren't you playing this year?
So during last season when I was playing for Kemp FC, I got a clash with my own teammate and I had a major nose injury. So I had to undergo the surgery. But I was very scared to come back to the training session or again get back to the football pitch, where I had a pressure from family also, enough stop playing football and everything. After the recovery, after everything, in December we had South Zone University where I was playing for Mangalore University. There I got one more major injury, shin bone open fracture. 2 surgeries where they had to remove my flesh tissues from the back because the bone had come out. Literally the bone was out. And after hospital thing, 2 to 3 months I was in bed rest. But along with the surgery, I had to complete my diploma course as well. If I don't complete my diploma course, I should have kept 1 year back and I could not do anything without that diploma course. So I tried going to college after 2 months of bed rest, and I completed my diploma certificate course in software development, and I was just looking for the job. At the same time, the director of the Kemp FC, he contacted me and he asked me for this role.
How has it been from being a player to a manager? I'm sure there are differences in the role, what you experience on the field, on practice sessions, in the dugout, etc. So how has it been so far?
So sitting in dugout it's a very hard situation. When I came as a manager here and the first practice match, I think one of the assistant coach asked me how you feel sitting in dugout for the first time. In KWL, I never sat in dugout. A player asks or when player tells something to me, I think in the viewpoint of players, because I was a player and I know how she will go through that.
What do you wish to see for Kemp FC in its future?
So always one of the director of the Kemp FC, he tells, see, you people don't see you're going to be a champion. See yourself as a champion and then play. So I believe in that, and I want to see this year the Kemp FC in the IWL to start with the residential programs. And I can tell, because in Mangalore there were local players lot in the beginning, but now the local players are reducing. So if the Kemp start in Mangalore as well, it will help for the state to get come up with more local girls for our state teams as well.